Good morning, dear students. This is Mananda Kaur, your science teacher. Well, students, today I am back with your next chapter, that is force, work, and energy. Students, to move a table, a heavy box, or a ball, either push or pull is applied. So, push or pull that can move an object is known as force. If the object moves to some distance on applying a force, the work is said to be done. If the object does not move even after applying the force, no work is done. And the ability to do any work is known as energy. It means our body uses energy to apply a force on an object. Or indirectly, we can say that energy is needed to perform any work. And our body get this energy from the food that we eat. So, my dear students, the push or pull that is applied by us to move any stationary object or to stop any moving object is known as force. Means force can help us in moving any stationary object and to stop any moving object. So force brings some changes when applied to an object. Like if we push any ball in the direction of motion, means in the direction in which it is already moving, it moves further. So the changes made by applying force is known as the effects of the force. So well students, now we are studying about the effects of the force. Number 1, a force can move a stationary object. For example, if we push a table, it will move from its place because of the force applied on it. And if we kick a stationary football kept on the ground, it starts moving. Number 2, a force can change the speed of the moving objects. Means it can either increase or decrease the speed of the moving object. Like if we apply force on a moving ball, its speed increases. Another examples of change in speed, like when a hockey player hits a moving ball, the speed of the ball increases. In the same way, when we pedal the bicycle faster, then the speed of the bicycle increases, but when we apply brakes to the moving bicycle, the speed of the bicycle decreases. Number 3, a force can change the shape and size of an object. Like the shape of dough changes on pressing with rolling pin to make chapatis. It means shape of the dough is changed on applying force. And the shape of the needed wet clay changes when a potter converts it into pots of different shapes by applying force. Moreover, a force can change the direction of a moving object. Means it is the fourth effect of the force. Like in a cricket match, when a moving cricket ball is hit by a bat, the direction of the ball changes due to the force applied by the bat. In the end, I would like to sum up the effects, like a force can move a stationary object and it can change the direction of an object, it can change the speed of an object, and it can also change the shape and size of the objects. So students, these all were the effects of the force. Watch this video carefully and solve your worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day, or you can make your day a good day.